Hey Beer Geeks, we just wanted to reach out to you with a quick update on our Patreon, mate.
Yeah.
Because we've made some changes, haven't we?
We've made some big changes. We've introduced a new perk for absolutely everybody that signs up to our Patreon. So that's from $1 and higher. And that is access to our very own unique, curated forum called the Craft Beer Channel Bubble. So this is a space on a website called Discord, which is basically like a super modern chat room where you can interact with me and Brad on a daily basis, as well as all of the other supporters of the Craft Beer Channel. And we've got channels in there where you can talk about homebrew, where you can talk about what you're drinking, talk about amazing places. There's a section where you can ask us anything. And there's also sections where our pro Patreons can give you news and discounts. So you can join that for just $1 as well as getting your name at the end of all of our videos. What are the other perks you can get higher up the chain?
Mate, $3 a month and you are officially a beer hero. What do you get for being a beer hero? You get proof. You get to wear this badge a patch. Every year we'll send one of these out to you.
Like a goddamn Boy Scout.
That's it, like a Boy Scout or a Colonel Gaddafi type figure. Whatever you want to be. You're just going to wear them all up and down, proud as punch.
Be more Gaddafi, support the Craft Beer Channel. Brilliant. So these are all designed by Brad himself and you'll get those at $3. If you go for $10, you'll also get a Christmas present every year.
Yes.
Last year it was these amazing glasses, which you can also buy.
People have said these are the best beer glasses they've ever drank.
They fit a 440ml can.
Big boy.
They give you all the aroma you need by being bottom heavy. Wonderful glassware.
Great stuff.
And that updates every year. There's a new gift every single year. At $30, you get an amazing screen printed, handmade, Brad designed poster.
You do. It's letterpress, it's beautiful. It's with an artist called Stephen Kenny. They're unique, what can I say?
Yeah, every single one is unique. And we don't sell them anywhere else other than to our Patreons. And also, if you are a business, you can still get involved. Here are a couple of the guys that support us, Glenafric, Verdant and North Brew. And for $50, they get their logo at the start of every single one of our videos. You may have seen it already. But they also get access to our Discord so that they can give discounts and news and stuff to all of our Patreons. So it's well worth it if you're an independent business and you want to support independent content. Because that's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about, man. Drink what you love. Support what you can support, and let's keep the lights on. That's what it boils down to, mate.
Absolutely, even if they're really, really bright lights. Yeah, so it's all about supporting independent content so that we can make sure that we're giving you honest and interesting content, because with Big Beer, with its hands all over the independent sector, it's really important that there are people out there promoting and telling the stories that need to be told to get people excited about great independent craft beer. So if you love it, support it, whether it's a brewery, whether it's us or any other amazing independent content creator.
100%, mate. And just to sort of clarify how amazing and how supportive Patreon has been to us, all of the travel stuff we do over the last 18 months, we're talking our first feature-length documentary in New England, travels to the Czech Republic, all of it. Florida.
Yeah, it's been all over the world thanks to you guys at Patreon, and we've also started producing some great homebrew content which we wouldn't have been able to do without the backing from our Patreon. So thank you so much to everyone that already has. Thank you so much to everyone that is thinking about it. So we'll see you in the Discord forum from $1 and higher very, very soon. Love and beer.
Love and beer.